Was it loud last night, like?
Fucking hell, I never done. Do you know I do hear women saying I put the golf ball behind his back so he won't roll over to stay inside? I know now what they're going through. I couldn't sleep like that. You'd be awake half the night like a fucking child waking you up. Half an hour all last night. I banged the wall and all. Ask him when he comes home. Like, so he's hearing noise. You only think, oh, what is it? And he'd be disturbed, then he'd roll over. I was going to ring the fucking phone and all. Drove me mad.